Hey, it's me, and I'm doing a bike check again because I got new stuff for Christmas, and I got new stuff since last time I did bike check. So here we go. I got Aussie Parnans because they last forever, still, and I've had them for like a year. Got Colt Vans grips still. Gonna need some new ones soon though. Got some Fit BF3 bars because they're 9 rise, 29 wide. I traded my friend my Perfect 10s for him because I can brush in with these, you know. Colt Salvation top load stem. If you could see the Colt right there, it says Colt. Volume Black Mamba forks. Primo binary pegs. Fit Pfaff tire. Some stock Sunday wheel because my Odyssey Vandero wheel. I laced up the black spokes again, and I didn't tighten the nipples right, so it's really untrue. So I'm taking that to Gordy's tomorrow. Shout out to them. And the lace, they're truing it for me. Animal Hamilton PC pedals. Best pedals ever. They stick really good to your feet. Shadow Noctis Shadow Torrid cranks or some crap like that. Right there. They're terrible. This is my second pair because I snapped my first pair because there's no gusset in them. I got a Sabrosa Zombieland seat. I want a Primo thin seat though. Primo slim seat. Some random seat post clamp. I got a Kink Launch 2010 frame. I'm getting a Colt for my birthday though. And I'm getting animal cranks for my birthday. Got the Serenity sticker, Bill Bike, Gordy's on the other side, you know, representing all the bike shops in Arizona pretty much. Odyssey MDS sprocket 25 tooth. I want to get a black sprocket. Colt 510 chain, best chain ever, doesn't snap, super thick. And then this is what I got for Christmas. I'm running Premium Refuse Resist tire, a Haro peg just because it lasts forever, G-Sport hub guard, and then I got this for Christmas. Sun hoop, my old hoop, some Primo spokes, just normal nipples, and then a Profile Mini right hand drive, 9-tooth hub, and it's amazing. I guess I'll do a hub sound now. Hold up. Yep, and that's my bike check. I'm actually seriously working on an edit now, so that should be out soon. And yeah, subscribe, comment, any questions, like, do all that fun stuff. Deuces.